So you have been selling handcrafted products on Etsy for some time now, and you are fairly good at creating these products. You have some sales, you have some feedback from your clients, but did you know that you can turn some of these handmade products into digital products? That would be a win-win because you would get to double the number of listings in your shop, and you could make your Etsy shop earn you some extra money with these digital products. The advantage of this is that you only have to make them once, upload them to Etsy next to your physical products, and after that you do not have to ship them like your regular physical products. In today's video we are going to talk about 5 digital product ideas that you can create if you are already creating handmade items. Hi, if we haven't met yet, my name is Emese and I talk about selling digital products on Etsy, creating them, and how to make extra money online. If you're interested in all or some of these topics, then hit the subscribe button and join me on this channel because you can find here lots of videos regarding these topics. This strategy can be applied to a number of handmade items because you have to think about how to create them and how to make them, and you maybe already have a how-to guide or a pattern or something like that. But even if your product does not require some kind of a pattern, but you can still think about creating digital products around your handmade items, like a workbook, a how-to guide, a step-by-step guide, and things like that. I'm just throwing some ideas out there. This strategy 100% works the best on products that have patterns because those are the easiest and the fastest to create. And without any further ado, let's hop over to my computer and I will show you 5 digital product ideas that you can create if you are already selling handmade items on Etsy or on any other platforms. So the first digital product idea that I came up with for today's video are sewing patterns. Here you can think about sewing patterns for kids' clothes, dresses, all kinds of things. Let's hop over to Etsy and I will show you a few of that come up on the first page of the Etsy search for the keyword sewing pattern. First page we have quite a few items. In the most loved section we have some kids items and some women's clothing. Of course these items are very trendy right now, the high-waisted shorts as well. But we have a Jedi robe, some loose pants, a top, dresses, more pants. So this item is a bestseller right now. You can see here the bestseller badge, and it sells for $10 at this point. They have 3 left in stock and more than 20 people have it in their carts. As you can see, this is a digital file because there are 5 PDFs included. The shop is a star seller with 5-star reviews. And let's see the listing images. They look really nice. Let's see the video as well. And also they have a measurement guide. And here are the images for the reviews. I think it turned out really nicely. Lots of people are leaving reviews with the images. The title is kind of okay. I would have formulated a little bit differently, but it is working. And they have a really detailed description as well. To analyze the statistics of this listing, I'm using a Chrome extension called Everbee. It gives you lots of really important details about certain listings. If you would like to try it out for free, you can find the link in the description. This one sold 200 times in the last 30 days. This is an estimate, and made $1,800. The visibility score is amazing on this one. Let's see the keywords. Sewing patterns, of course, these are some more general ones. And after that, the more targeted, the more specific keywords. If you are good at sewing, then you can create all of these patterns for the products that you already are sewing and maybe selling as a finished product, and you can upload them to your shop as a digital file. The second digital product idea that you can create if you're already making handmade items are crocheting patterns. I found lots of cute ones on Etsy, let me show you. This bundle is a bestseller, so we are going to analyze this one in a second. But from sweaters to tops to cute toys like these, they are really nice. Flowers, hats, all kinds of things. This little cow one is a bestseller too. This niche would be really nice if you're already creating children's items and you know how to crochet. I do not know how to do that, but if you are that person, then you can give creating some crocheting patterns for these little cute animals a try. Okay, so we have this bundle of 5 crocheting patterns for tops. There is a sweater, a long sleeve top, a crop top, a sleeveless one, and a little dress. All 5 of these are selling for $23. And just to see the potential, we are going to check it out with Everbee. And it sold 36 times approximately in the last month and made $720, which is really nice from just one product. And of course you can create lots of digital products in your shop similar to this one with different patterns and bundles and things like that. If you would like to know how to create 24 listings from just one product, then you can check out this video right here. And let's see this cute cow. The size is really nice as well. The model is really cute, of course. It sells for only $179, and I think this price is a little bit low, but it sold 54 times in the last month, making $81 for this Etsy seller. Digital product idea number 3 for people who are creating handmade items are embroidery patterns. These became fairly popular in the last 2 or 3 years, especially during the lockdown periods, because people were bored and they thought that they would give embroidery a try. So this is, in my opinion, a niche that is still going strong. So if you know how to create these kinds of things, then I highly suggest you check it out. Let's hop over to Etsy and I will show you the potential in this niche. We have lots of options here. We have this hoop type of designs that you can hang on your wall, or these other kinds that you can embroider directly onto your clothes, and the paper that it is printed on will fade away in the wash. We also have some bigger bundles like this whole shop pack or this one. I would stay away from something like this with the logos because these are trademarked. These cute mushroom ones are really nice as well. These are nice, these are a bigger pack as well. These floral ones are killing it right now. They look amazing when they're finished, but they are easy to create for people who are just a beginner at embroidery. This product is for people who are beginners and want to learn the different kind of stitches. Here we have a video presenting on how to do each stitch. Of course, I'm guessing it comes with detailed instructions as well. It sells for $782 and it was sold 111 times and made more than $700 in the past 30 days for this Etsy seller, which is a really good extra income if you're already selling these as a finished product. And this floral one is cheaper, but let's see the volume that they sold. The images are really nice. They don't have a video and they only have 4 pictures. At least I would suggest that you add 5 images to your Etsy listings because then it has a higher chance of performing well. And the video is an extra boost, of course. It sold approximately 28 times and made $70, but it sells for less than the previous pattern. Digital product idea number 4, and these would be macrame patterns. I am sure that you saw these wall hangings that became popular in recent years. They can be big or smaller, but macrame wall hangings and macrame objects, plant hangers, they became popular in the recent years with the neutral trends coming into home decor. Here we have some finished products like this one looks really nice, but also some patterns. Let's check out this one. And we have wall hangings, some dream catchers, but mostly wall hangings. You can create these patterns for these kinds of plant hangers as well. Little Christmas decorations, jewelry. This is a macrame wall hanger and the pattern for that comes with a detailed guide like this one. It sells for $6.33. I'm guessing there is VAT included in this one because I live in Europe. It sold 28 times and made $144 from just this one item, and I am sure that they have several items in their shop. Another great idea if you are already making handmade items are macrame patterns. And the digital idea number 5 and the last one for today is to create beading patterns. If you know how to create beautiful jewelry with beads or some little animals, because I saw those are very popular too, you can give a try to creating these kinds of patterns. As you can see, we have some more complicated designs, but some simple ones as well. This is a mix of embroidery and beading, so this is kind of in between the two, but these look really nice as well. The listing images on these two look really nice because they are very clean and sharp. Okay, so this is a pattern, and let's see their video because it really caught my eye. This video attracts people's attention for sure. And this is the pattern itself. But if you know how to do these kinds of beads, this pattern will make sense to you. Believe it or not, I know how to make these, and that pattern looks really nice. This one sells for only $3, but this is currently on a sale. And according to Everbee, it had 55 sales and made over $300 in the last 30 days. So there is clearly some potential in the beading niche as well. That was it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments which niche would you be interested in, what kind of handmade products are you creating, and would you give creating these patterns a try. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I will talk about digital products, selling them on Etsy, making money online, and all things related to that. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!